Pakistan's first electric arc suit. Why GRAYWOLF electric arc garment? The truth according to the research. More than 2,000 people are admitted to intensive care burn units each year. As a result of severe arc flash burns they receive during an arc flash incidents. Even a non-fatal arc flash incidents consistently result in many serious burns and injuries, requiring weeks to months of intensive care, hospital stays, and many months of painful rehabilitation. An arc flash can cause injuries, ranging from minor to third-degree burns, and even death. Other injuries include blindness, hearing loss, nerve damage, and cardiac arrest. Blast pressure waves have thrown works across rooms and knocked them off ladders. Pressure on the chest can be higher than 2,000 pounds per square foot. Furthermore, or flashes spray droplets of molten metal at high speeds. These droplets are propelled for distances up to 10 feet. This blast shrapnel can penetrate the human body. Electrical arc flashes produce some of the highest temperatures known to occur on Earth, up to 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 19,426 degrees centigrade. This is 4 times the temperature of the surface of the sun. We are taking our customers to the new level of safety and protection. The GRAYWOLF series of arc flash garments. The complete series is engineered and designed to be more protected, lightweight, and breathable. Our supreme grade garments take the protection to the next level of safety by being the most secure electric arc garments in the industry, with enhanced protection of 42 by 100 cals per centimeter square, and combination of real comfort and protection.